So today we're heading to the Land Rover dealership because my sister's taking her car in for some type of, I don't know, it's not a repair, but it's like service. So today is an adventure where we're gonna be going to downtown. So come and join along with us and enjoy this beautiful view. Look at that. Beautiful view.
Hello pig.
Hello pig, yum. Gotta stay hydrated today. Hydro Flask. Get yours. Hi Cammy, so what are you eating?
Strawberry.
Ooh, let's see it. Oh yeah. Enjoy. Getting ready to go on the pimp ride. Pimpin' ride. Hi guys, I'm driving the Land Rover.
Range Rover.
Oh, Range Rover, sorry. Sunroof is up. Not too fast, yeah, late. Okay, that's good. How do you like turn, what is this?
Okay.
Drive.
No, yeah, right there.
Whoa. Wow. Oh!
Whoa!
Dang, now this is my car. Woo! Alright everyone, so we're back. We downgraded to a Jaguar.
Jaguar car.
Jaguar car. It's not an SUV, but Jaguar is still good, but it's a loaner. So you have your basic stuff. It's not a Land Rover. We're snooties now.
Range Rover.
We're gonna give you all a challenge. Being that we're in Hawaii, we're gonna learn some Hawaiian words. So comment below if you know how to pronounce these names, alright? We're not gonna say it. All you need to do is just... Wait, how are they gonna pronounce it when...
Yeah, so I was thinking.
That doesn't make sense. Anyway.
No, just like not only like words but places too, like Hawaii places and Hawaiian words. You know, just to make it more mixed.
Yeah, so okay, we'll try to see what we can come up with.
Pronounce it then.
Alright, here's the first word, people. Alright, so that first word that you saw was pronounced a certain way. So, was it A? Pu'uhale? B? Pu'heli? Or C? Pu'hale?
I don't think you should do the A,
A, B, or C? Comment below. Alright, that last one, is it A, Ewa, B, Iwa, or C, Eva? So, take a guess, comment below. Good luck. Looks like we're heading to this place called Spicy House. Thai food, but we're getting tea. So we'll see. I heard this place is really good. So we're just ordering tea. Alright, we're here at the salon. First time you guys get to see it. There's mom and dad. Hi Dad. Okay, so here's their salon. Yeah, open the door. going to the Philippines, but we wanted to see Kyron one last time.
Over the 2 screws.
Hi, Kyron. Thank you so much for spending this day with us. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you subscribe below and give it a big thumbs up. Thank you very much. Signing out. Here's a view. Oh yeah.